Removing a spray-on bed liner from a truck bed can be a time-consuming and difficult task, and the use of chemicals and grinding often makes it a dangerous job. Induction Innovations has harnessed the power of invisible heat to make this a much safer and faster undertaking with the use of the Glass Blaster attachment, or Glass Blaster self-contained unit. To begin, attach the Glass Blaster attachment to the Inductor Lite, Pro-Max, or Max, or use the Glass Blaster unit. Set the power control knob midway between the low and max settings. On the Inductor Lite, switch the power on and choose either auto or manual settings. Next, score a small section of the bed liner with a putty knife. Place the Glass Blaster head on the surface just scored and step on the foot pedal to turn the power on. Maintain foot pressure to keep the power on. Once released, the power will turn off. Using a back and forth motion, heat the area just scored for a few moments. Length of time varies based on thickness and bonding properties of the coating. Use the putty knife to scrape the liner from the surface. If it does not release, repeat the heating process. Remember to keep constant outward pressure on the section being removed. If you encounter a section that is not releasing, you may be over an area that has previously been repaired and filled with body filler. Use caution not to create any further damage in this area of the panel. Continue working in this manner until the entire liner has been removed. More information about the Glass Blaster and all Induction Innovations products can be found at theinductor.com. Experience invisible heat with Induction Innovations.